The low-speed, high-torque engine boasts ample power reserve, excellent adaptability to heavy-load operating conditions, and high-altitude performance. The feed-forward intelligent control technology enhances the engine's responsiveness to loads, reduces excavation resistance, and improves excavation efficiency. With optimized design of key structural components, the entire machine has successfully passed testing and evaluation, achieving comprehensive verification and enhancement of reliability.